What if one PC case could handle multiple GPUs, massive radiators, custom water cooling, and still have room to spare? Today, we're counting down the top 10 full tower PC cases that deliver incredible space, unmatched flexibility, and the features enthusiasts dream about. Let's find out which one deserves a place in your ultimate build. Starting off at number 10 is the ALSEYE StarArc Full Tower Gaming PC case, a premium showcase chassis that immediately grabs attention with one feature very few competitors can match: a massive 9.16-inch integrated LCD display. Designed for enthusiasts who want both performance and personalization, the StarArc supports eATX motherboards, multiple storage configurations with 4 HDD and 4 SSD bays, tempered glass panels, and 360mm liquid cooling support. In real-world use, the spacious full tower layout provides plenty of room for custom water cooling loops, flagship graphics cards, and future upgrades, making it ideal for gaming rigs and content cards. Next up is the darkFlash DY460, a full tower case designed for builders who want maximum visibility and strong airflow performance. Featuring a stunning 330-degree full-view tempered glass design, 4 pre-installed RGB PWM fans, a dedicated PSU chamber, support for 400mm graphics cards, and compatibility with 360mm radiators, the DY460 creates a true showcase environment for modern gaming hardware. Compared with the ALSEYE StarArc, the darkFlash focuses more heavily on panoramic presentation and airflow, while the StarArc counters with greater storage flexibility and its integrated display. Compared with the Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo XL, the DY460 offers a similar showcase experience at a more approachable price point. In real-world gaming builds, it delivers excellent cooling performance while making even entry-level hardware look premium. For users who love clean cable management and panoramic glass aesthetics, the DY460 is a compelling choice. Moving on, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming GT502, one of the most modular and builder-friendly cases in this comparison, featuring tempered glass panels, a dual-chamber-inspired layout, tool-free side panels, an integrated RGB hub, vertical GPU support, and extensive radiator compatibility. The GT502 is built with flexibility in mind. Compared with the darkFlash DY460, the GT502 sacrifices some panoramic flair, but gains significant advantages in modularity and ease of access. Compared with the Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo, it delivers a more rugged and practical building experience while maintaining excellent airflow potential. In real-world gaming and workstation builds, the GT502 shines because of how easy it is to upgrade, maintain, and customize. For enthusiasts who frequently swap hardware or experiment with cooling configurations, this case offers tremendous long-term value. Next in the lineup is the CoolerMaster Cosmos Alpha, a case that instantly feels premium the moment you see it. Featuring a distinctive curved aluminum frame, dual 200mm intake fans, support for 420mm radiators, customizable RGB underglow lighting, and compatibility with massive high-end components, the Cosmos Alpha is designed to be a flagship product. Compared with the ASUS TUF GT502, the Cosmos Alpha delivers a more luxurious construction and greater cooling capacity, while the ASUS maintains an edge in modular flexibility and affordability. In real-world use, the Cosmos Alpha performs exceptionally well, with its large intake fans moving huge amounts of air while remaining surprisingly quiet. Compared with many cases on this list, it feels less like a computer chassis and more like a premium piece of industrial design. If aesthetics and craftsmanship are high on your priority list, the Cosmos Alpha deserves serious attention. At number 6, we arrive at the Fractal Design Meshify 2XL, one of the most respected airflow-focused full towers available today. Featuring Fractal's signature mesh front panel, highly modular interior, extensive storage support, eATX compatibility, and exceptional radiator support, the Meshify 2XL is built around one simple goal: performance. Compared with the Cosmos Alpha, the Fractal sacrifices some luxury styling, but gains a more flexible internal layout and stronger storage versatility. Compared with the Corsair 7000D Airflow, it offers greater configurability while maintaining equally impressive cooling potential. In real-world gaming, rendering, and workstation workloads, the Meshify 2 XL consistently delivers outstanding thermal performance and remains one of the best choices for power users who prioritize airflow above everything else. If cooling is your number one concern, the Meshify 2 XL remains one of the strongest contenders in this entire comparison. Next up is the Antec Performance 1 FT, a case that combines airflow excellence with modern monitoring features. Featuring a high airflow mesh front panel, integrated temperature display, 4 pre-installed Storm T3 PWM fans, USB Type-C connectivity, dual tempered glass panels, and EATX support, the Performance 1 FT arrives ready for serious workloads. Compared with the Meshify 2 XL, the Antec offers a more feature-rich, out-of-the-box experience thanks to its included monitoring display and high-performance fans. Compared with the ALSEYE Star Arc, it focuses more heavily on cooling performance than visual customization. In real-world use, the Performance 1 FT consistently delivers excellent temperatures while simplifying system monitoring. For builders who want premium airflow and useful built-in features, Antec has created one of the most complete packages in the category. What do you think so far? Would you rather have a built-in LCD display like the Star Arc or a dedicated temperature? Moving further into the rankings, we have the Silverstone FLP Aero 2 Retro, easily one of the most unique cases on this list. While most manufacturers chase RGB lighting and futuristic designs, Silverstone takes the opposite approach with a retro-inspired beige aesthetic that pays tribute to classic PCs. Despite its vintage appearance, the FLP02W fully supports modern hardware, powerful cooling solutions, and high-performance components. Compared with the Fractal Design North, which blends wood accents with modern elegance, the FLP02W embraces nostalgia completely. In real-world use, it delivers solid airflow, strong compatibility, and excellent build flexibility, while offering something no other case here can match, a truly unique identity. For retro computing enthusiasts or builders looking to stand out from the crowd, the FLP Aero 2W is unlike anything else available today. At number 3, we have the darkFlash C280, a case that delivers one of the strongest combinations of cooling, aesthetics, and value in this entire comparison. Featuring a 270-degree panoramic tempered glass design, 7 pre-installed RGB fans, reverse connection motherboard support, compatibility with 400mm GPUs, and support for 360mm radiators, the C280 is loaded with enthusiast-focused features. Compared with the ASUS TUF GT502, the darkFlash offers a significantly stronger stock cooling package and a more dramatic showcase presentation. Compared with the Antec Performance 1 FT, it prioritizes aesthetics and RGB appeal while still maintaining excellent thermal performance. In real-world gaming systems, the 7 included fans provide exceptional airflow right out of the box, reducing the need for additional cooling investments. For gamers seeking maximum visual impact and cooling value, the C280 is one of the most attractive options available. Our runner-up is the CoolerMaster Cosmos C700M, a case that has long been considered one of the most versatile enthusiast chassis ever created. Featuring a curved tempered glass panel, integrated vertical GPU riser cable, highly configurable layouts, extensive liquid cooling support, USB Type-C connectivity, and premium materials throughout, the C700M is built to adapt to virtually any build scenario. Compared with the darkFlash C280, it offers dramatically greater configurability and customization potential, although it comes at a significantly higher price. So, compared with the Corsair Obsidian 1000D, it provides a more manageable footprint while still supporting highly advanced custom loop systems. In real-world use, the C700M excels in flexibility, build quality, and long-term upgrade potential, making it one of the most beloved enthusiast cases ever released. If customization is your priority, very few competitors come close. And finally, taking the number 1 position before the final verdict is the ASUS ROG Hyperion GR701. This flagship EATX full tower combines premium construction, exceptional airflow, builder-friendly features, and support for the most demanding hardware available today. featuring 4 pre-installed 140mm fans, tool-free side panels, support for 420mm radiators, a built-in graphics card holder, front USB Type-C connectivity, and extensive compatibility with flagship GPUs and custom cooling systems. The Hyperion is engineered with enthusiasts in mind. Compared with the CoolerMaster Cosmos C700M, the Hyperion focuses more heavily on airflow optimization and practical gaming-focused features, while the Cosmos emphasizes configurability and luxury design. Compared with the Fractal Meshify 2XL, the Hyperion delivers a more premium experience and stronger out-of-the-box hardware support. In real-world gaming and workstation environments, it consistently performs at the highest level, while